The 𝐏𝐫𝐨𝐝 electronic can opener is probably the funnest can opener that we have. I love this item because it makes prep really easy when you have a lot of cans that you need to open at one time. After a while, your hand gets really tired. So this is a great tool for anybody that has dexterity problems, maybe carpal tunnel, anytime where it's hard for people to turn a regular can opener, that's where this guy comes into play. So let's see how easy it is to use. You've got a button that says start and stop, a light that will illuminate when we're using it. So set it across the top of the can, push the start button. My hands are now free. I could walk away, I could do something else, and this little guy is gonna open cans for me. You'll see when it gets all the way around, you'll also hear that it sounds a little bit different, and it's just gonna kind of sit there and jiggle. Simply press the stop button, it's gonna reverse itself, and you're gonna pick up your can lid just like that. This is ready for the trash, and notice you don't have a lot of mess, and your can is open. It's definitely a kitchen hack and a time saver. Makes life simpler. Everybody needs a good can.